Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark we are making tin can candles with beautiful vintage images. Now I know a lot of you like to upcycle, so this is the perfect upcycling project. And we're not actually filling the whole tin can with candle wax. We're going to use a little bit of plaster of Paris and some more recycled materials. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some tin can candles. I'm going to leave a link in the description to all the images I used for this project so you can just print them out and make them exactly the way I did. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.